Good morning, ma'am. This is Geeta from CSCA section. The topic that I got for presentation is computer types. Without any further ado, let's get into the presentation, ma'am. So, before getting into a presentation, let's see the overview of contents. What are we going to discuss in the coming presentation? So, in the coming presentation, I'm going to discuss about what is a computer and what are the types of computers and what are the features, applications, and then finally we'll get into the conclusion. Let's dive into the presentation now, ma'am. Now, what is a computer? So, computer is an electronic device that processes the data, performs calculations, executes commands to accomplish variety of tasks. The purpose could be they're like their computers are integral to various industries, helping us with complex calculation, data management, and automation. Nowadays, we can't imagine a single day without computer. Like not a day also, even an hour we can't stay without computers these days. Now, types are computers are categorized by their size, speed, functionality, and user capacity. Many categories include supercomputers, mainframes, mini computers, workstations, personal computers, and embedded computers as well. Now, we'll see all of them in the presentation. So, supercomputers. Supercomputers are the most powerful and fastest computers used for performing high-level scientific and engineering tasks that require extensive computational power. So, whichever require the high amount of computational power, there we'll use the supercomputers. Usually, this is used in disk tasks only. When we speak about features of the supercomputer, extremely high processing power, large memory, and capable of executing trillions of calculations per second using parallel processing. Using parallel processing, we actually, you know, we're gonna execute trillions of instructions at a single, like in a second only. So that is the power of supercomputer. We'll speak of, let's go for the other computers as well. Next, mainframe computers. Mainframe computers are large, powerful computers mainly used by large organizations for critical applications and bulk data processing. Now, when it comes to features, high reliability, data security, massive storage capacity, and capable of supporting thousands of users simultaneously. Now, these are basically designed to support thousands of users simultaneously. Now, when it comes to applications, financial transactions, census data processing, airline reservations, large scale enterprise resource planning. So these are all are basically using mainframe computers only in order to make users' life 1,000 times easier. Otherwise, if you don't have mainframe computers, it could be a really difficult task to access this thing by that many users at a time. So mainframe computers are literally so good for like this, bulk up for the large organizations in order to use for the people, like so many people to use them. Next, mini computers. Mini computers are mid-sized systems between mainframes and personal computers, suitable for smaller organizations and departments. Now, when it comes to their features, multi-user support, more affordable than mainframes but with substantial processing power, often used in multitasking environments. And when it comes to applications, so it is used in manufacturing control systems, university labs, research facilities, and small to medium business operations. For this, we will use the mini computers. Next, we have workstations. Workstations are high performance, single user computers designed for technical and scientific applications that are requiring significant computing power. Now these are single user computers. We have to note this point. These are single user computers which are used only for technical and scientific applications for significant computing power that they have. Now when I speak about their features, enhanced graphics capabilities, advancing process power, large memory, and often specialized as hardware for high precision as well. When it comes to application, the applications are 3D animation, computer aided design, that is CAD, and scientific simulations, data analysis. For these all of the things, we basically use workstations, the workstation computer as well. Next, personal computers. Now this personal computers is like everyone knows about this personal computers, because most of the students and then the working professionals, even normal people also use PCs. PCs are personal computers. Are this again? This is a when the fourth generation of computers have come. This PC revolution have come majorly because of the less cost. Majorly because of the less cost that is having when compared to the previous generations of computers. So then now PC what do you say revolution has come. At that time everyone has bought their PCs, and then these PCs are general purpose systems. They're used for various tasks. It could be it could be desktop, it could be laptop, it could be tablet, it could be used for many things. It could be for software applications, it could be for office productivity, it could be for gaming, it could be for multimedia as well. So all of this, uh, we use personal computers. And then we have microcontrollers and embedded computers. Now, microcontrollers and embedded computers, like embedded computers, are specialized computers embedded within the devices to control specific functions, often with limited user interaction. Now, features are minimal user interface, low power consumption, optimized for specific tasks, real-time processing are the features of these microcontrollers and embedded computers. Now, when it comes to applications used in everyday machines like washing machines, oh my god, this is something that we've never seen also. Have you ever thought of having microcontrollers and embedded computers in a washing machine? Yes, we have. That is, and microwaves, cars, that is like in navigation systems and safety controls we have in the cars, right? So in that we use it, and for medical devices as well. And this brings us to the summary of the presentation. Let's just quickly see what all we've seen in the presentation. A supercomputer is highest processing power, high cost for complex scientific and engineering tasks, mainframe for supporting thousands of users, high data security for large enterprises. Mini computer is for mid-range, multi-user, cost-effective for business and research. Workstation is for single user, high performance for technical and scientific work. And PCs are general purpose, affordable for personal and small business use. Embedded computers are specialized, low power, specific tasks, consumer devices. Now that brings us to the conclusion of the presentation. Each type of computer has specific uses, strengths, limitations, meeting different needs across the industries. Now, thank you very much, ma'am, for giving me this opportunity of presenting about computer types, and I got to learn so much while doing this. Thank you very much.